If your furnace is getting older or your heating bills keep going up, you're probably wondering what a new furnace actually costs. In this video, we'll break down furnace replacement costs for 2026 and explain what really affects the price. In Simcoe County, most furnace replacements fall into three general ranges. Entry-level high-efficiency furnaces are anywhere from $4,500 to $6,500. Mid-range furnaces range from $6,500 to $8,500, and premium furnace systems go anywhere from $8,500 to $11,000 and up. This usually includes the furnace installation and removal of the old system and basic materials. The biggest factors that affect furnace replacement cost are furnace size and BTU requirements, efficiency rating, brand and comfort features, installation complexity, and system upgrades or accessories. Proper sizing is critical. A furnace that's too small won't keep up, and one that's too large will short cycle and wear out faster. That's why we always perform a heat loss calculation before recommending a system. When you replace a furnace, you're paying for two main things: the furnace equipment itself, which is typically $3,000 to $7,000, and professional installation, usually from $1,500 to $3,000, depending on the job. Three common furnace brands homeowners choose are Goodman, which is great for strong value and reliability; Trane, amazing for durability and long-term comfort; Lennox, premium efficiency and quiet operation. The best brand depends on your home, budget, and comfort priorities. Rebates and incentives can sometimes lower furnace replacement costs, especially when installing high-efficiency systems or smart thermostats. You may want to consider replacing your furnace if it's over 15 years old, repairs are becoming frequent, your gas bills are rising, your home has uneven temperatures, or the furnace is getting noisy. The best way to know your actual furnace replacement cost is with a quick in-home assessment. If you want the full furnace replacement cost guide for Barrie, check out our blog. Affordable comfort, home comfort made easy.